We'll guide you through how to change text in multiple cells in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because replacing data manually in large Excel sheets takes a lot of time and can lead to mistakes. First, tap Excel to open the program on your computer. Wait until everything finishes loading so the application is fully ready to use. After the program has loaded completely, press Ctrl and O on your keyboard to open a previously saved spreadsheet. When the file window appears, go to the search bar near the top of the window and tap on it once. Type the name of your file carefully so Excel can locate it quickly. After the correct file appears in the results, select the file with a single click. Open the spreadsheet by clicking the Open button and wait for the sheet to appear on the screen. Before continuing, make sure your sheet already contains several pieces of data that you want to edit or update. After confirming the data is present, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard to open the search panel. Once the panel opens, locate the Replace option inside the search tool and click on it to switch from searching to replacing text or values. Next, tap the Find bar and type the data that you want to replace throughout the spreadsheet. After entering the old data, press on the Replace bar and type the new data that should appear instead. Carefully review both entries to make sure the replacement information is correct before applying the change. When you are ready, choose the Replace All option so Excel updates every matching result in the sheet at the same time. After the replacement process is complete, press OK to confirm the message that appears on the screen. Finally, close the panel to return to your spreadsheet and continue working with the updated data. Take a moment to check a few cells in different parts of the spreadsheet to confirm that the replacement worked correctly everywhere. Once everything looks correct, save the updated spreadsheet so your changes are not lost. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and S or by selecting the Save option from the menu at the top of the Excel window. This ensures modifications remain available the next time you open Excel.